Hey everyone, welcome to G's Drive. I'm Rich, and today I'm going to show you window tinting shades that I've fitted, and I'll let you know what I think of them. So as you can see, there's no tinting on the windows at the moment. You can see straight in. It does have the door blinds, but they're not enough from blocking the sun from coming in. So yeah, I just want to hide some of the stuff that's in the boot and keep the car nice and cool. So I found the Solar Plexus brand of blinds, and this is what you get in the box. So you get some pre-cut like plastic shades for each window. So the X5, there are 7 windows. So you get all those, and they're covered in this backing either side, protective backing. It's definitely black, not brown, as I've seen some versions. So you get some rubber gloves in the set. You get the adapters on I think the middle windows. I didn't use them in the end, didn't need them. And then you get the little clips. They're a little bit ugly when they're on, but you know, they do the job. And then just the instructions. But it's worth checking out YouTube before you start fitting it. So starting with a good old Yum glass cleaner. Get the windows nice and clean. Obviously don't do it in the rain, that was a bit of an error, but you know. Then just peel off both sides. So as you can see, it's pretty black smoked. And yeah, just check it's the right way up, and then you sort of crack the window halfway down, slot it in from the outside, and just sort of find the runners behind the rubbers, and then yeah, just push it in. Really easy. It was a lot easier than I expected. Put the window up, and that's that one done. So then I've obviously done the smaller window. These are the clips. They sort of stick on. They're a little bit ugly, so there's maybe a better way to fix it, but yeah, that's the way it is. Putting the blind back up, and then these rear quarters were quite tough, but you can be quite brutal with the plastic. It seems to take quite a lot of stick. And just onto the other sides. So as you can see, there's 3 windows either side. There's 2 in the door, and then the rear quarter. So you're getting the final window done in the door, nice and easy. And then there's a big old tailgate at the back. It's a big window, and you just sort of have to tuck it into each corner first, and then it sort of slots underneath the trim. I did have to kind of pull the trim back a little bit. But yeah, once that's in, let's step back and take a look, see what it looks like from all angles. So pretty good results really, and it leaves a slightly different look to a normal OEM tint. So it leaves this sort of silvery, reflective surface, which I actually really like. I think it feels a bit different, but you cannot see through it. You can obviously see out of it from the inside. It's a little bit darker at night time, but it's not too much of a problem. Yeah, no more than normal tints. So overall, the effect's been really good, and the car stayed nice and cool. So it's achieved all its goals really. So what do we think to it? Well, the pros, it's super quick to install. Took me no more than 30 minutes, and that's just by doing a bit of research and get cracking on with it. The good thing is it blocks all the sunlight, which was the main aim, and also blocks the view in, so you just absolutely cannot see in. I think it works really well. It's pretty good value, so it's about 120 quid for all those windows, and it's crash tested as well, which when you've got kids is a priority for anything you're installing that's third party. And the downside is the windows need to stay closed. That's not an issue at the moment. It may be in the future when the kids are older, but for now that's not really an issue. So overall, I'd recommend. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.